because Chandrababu Naidu is back as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. The oath-taking ceremony that will be taking place today, and we have accessed when it comes to the team Naidu, who all will be a part of the new cabinet.
So let me tell you the names of those leaders. It's going to be Pawan Kalyan along with Chandrababu Naidu. There are big names in Naidu cabinet. Chandrababu Naidu will be taking oath with other leaders who will be part of the core team of the cabinet of this new government. The cabinet of Chandrababu Naidu has been revealed. Let's go across to Somit, in fact, for more details. Somit, tell us about the list of all the leaders who are going to be taking oath and forming the core team of Chandrababu Naidu in the state.
Well, now we have accessed the list, and yesterday we have predicted all these names, and we can clearly see here Nara Lokesh is the first name, and who is the working president and senior leader from the TDP, Pawan Kalyan, Achay Naidu. We have predicted all these names: Kollu Ravindra, Nadalla Manohar, Narayana Vangalapuri Anita, Satya Kumar Yadav from the BJP, Nimmala Ramu Naidu, Farooq from TDP, Anam Ramnaran Reddy, and Payala Keshav, Angan Satya Prasad, Kolusu Parthasarathi, Dola Balavir Anjanaya Swami, and Gottipati Ravi Kumar, Kandula Durgesh, Gummadi, Sandhya Rani, Jardhan Reddy, Bharat, Savita, Subhash, Kondapalli Srinivas, and Ram Prasad Reddy. These will be the ministers, these will be the MLAs who will be taking oath as the ministers, followed by Chandrababu Naidu, and 11:27 is the time, and already we can clearly see here a crowd started, going to the venue just meters away from here, and all vehicles are stopped there, and only VIP vehicles will be allowed from here. MPs, MLAs will be coming through this route, and we can also clearly see here a crowd coming from various places. ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చారు మీరు?
తిరువూరు నుంచి వచ్చారు. తిరువూరు నుంచి. ఎన్టీఆర్ జిల్లా తిరువూరు.
శ్రీకాకుళం సార్.
So Srikakulam, Tirupati, and several other places are saying
శ్రీకాకుళం.
కోసం వచ్చారు?
ఇది బ్రాహ్మణ సగరం కోసం వచ్చాం.
చంద్రబాబు గారి కోసం వచ్చాం.
So, several people coming from various districts is what they are saying. Srikakulam is very far away from this place, and they came here to witness the swearing-in ceremony. And after this landslide victory, because no one expected that TDP, Janasena, BJP will be completely sweeping away the polls in Andhra Pradesh, including the assembly and the parliament. They have secured a landslide victory, getting 165 seats, 164 seats out of 175, and when it comes to the Parliament, they have secured 21 out of 25. So we can clearly see the enthusiasm in the crowd. They have come here to witness the historic event here, where top leaders, including Prime Minister Modi,
it's going to be a star-studded affair as today's event is also concerned. Top leaders from the BJP, Prime Minister Modi also expected himself to be there. 11:27 is the time, Swati. They are very particular when it comes to the time of the Muhurat, where today the swearing-in ceremony would be taking place.
Absolutely. Chandrababu Naidu's TDP, Pawan Kalyan's Janasena, and the BJP together contested the election and wiped out YSRCP headed by Jagan Mohan Reddy, which on its part only won 11 seats, the biggest loss in fact suffered by a party in Andhra's political history.
In the meantime, we've accessed the inside information of Andhra Pradesh's ministerial berth distribution. Let's put that out for our viewers to see. Following the huddle that happened between the three NDA parties in Vijayawada, let's get you a breakdown that is now expected when it comes to the 175 assembly. Chandrababu Naidu's TDP, which has 164 assembly seats, is likely to get 19 ministerial berths.
So the lion's share will be with Chandrababu Naidu. Pawan Kalyan's Janasena is likely to get 4 ministerial posts for the 21 seats it won, while the BJP is likely to get 2 ministerial berths for the 8 seats that the BJP won.
In the meantime, we also talk about as far as when it comes to the berths that have been now decided, and what is also now being said, who will be a part of the cabinet formation, because as it is being said that the lion's share of all of the details when it's coming in from the TDP side would be kept with Chandrababu Naidu himself. And of course, when it comes to the distribution that it is looking like as of now, on the big screen you can take a look as far as 3 of the parties that have now formed this alliance in the state of Andhra Pradesh.